Do you struggle with stress, anxiety, maybe even feeling a little depressed? Today we're going to talk about a natural remedy that might help. A natural remedy called ashwagandha. So, ashwagandha is a plant. It's been used in traditional Indian medicine for over 3,000 years. It's part of the nightshade family, which also includes things like tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplants. But don't worry, it's not like those foods, those nightshades, which can cause problems for some people. This actually has calming effects, and people take it as a supplement. There's a few different forms that it comes in. You can get it in a capsule or a powder, and most commonly in a tea. And the way that it works is it increases something in your body called the parasympathetic nervous system. And this basically is kind of like the calm nervous system. It allows your body to rest and digest. So when you're stressed out, your body goes into a stress state called the sympathetic nervous system, and your body is revved up and ready to fight or flight, run from a tiger or whatever it needs to do. But when you're in that state, you can't sleep, you can't focus, you can't concentrate, and you're just kind of on edge. So this herb switches that over to the other side so you can actually relax and calm down and sleep better. And so what does it do for you? Well, number one, ashwagandha reduces stress. So if you have generalized anxiety disorder or you're just really stressed all the time, this might be helpful for you. Number two, it may improve your sleep. So many of us suffer from insomnia or having trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. This may be helpful for you. Number three, it may reduce symptoms of depression. So there's some studies that have shown that taking this daily can actually help with symptoms of depression. And number four, it can improve your quality of life. So overall, if you're just feeling down and you want to improve your quality of life, this might be something worth trying. So who should be taking this? Well, ashwagandha is generally safe for most people to take. However, there are a few side effects to be aware of. Number one, it can cause an upset stomach. So if you already have an upset stomach or you have heartburn, this may make that worse. Number two, it can cause diarrhea. Again, if you have diarrhea or you're prone to having it, this can make it worse. And number three, it can lower your blood pressure. So, if you're taking this and you feel dizzy or lightheaded, that means that your blood pressure is dropping too much and you should probably stop taking the ashwagandha. Also, if you're taking any medications, you should talk to your doctor before taking ashwagandha. And that's because it can interact with a few different medications. So, one is a class of medications called thyroid medications. So, if you've had a thyroid removed or you have hypothyroidism and you're taking a thyroid medication, you shouldn't be taking this. The other one is a class of medications called blood thinners. So, if you're taking blood thinners, again, talk to your doctor before taking ashwagandha. And lastly, if you have a history of any psychiatric problems, including schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or major depression, you shouldn't be taking this medication without speaking to your doctor first. So, if you're interested in trying ashwagandha, great. But how do you know which one to get? There's a lot of different kinds and there's a lot of different brands, so make sure you look for one that has at least 500 main of KSM-30. This is the form of ashwagandha that's been studied most often, and that will give you the most benefit. As always, remember to take care of yourself because you're worth it.